So you got a sound bar and you set it under your television, kind of sort of like this, but for some reason you don't hear any sound. Hooked your sound bar up to the back of your television, and this is the way you hooked it up. Your source input, whether that's coming from your satellite receiver or your cable television receiver or a Blu-ray player or a streaming box like a Roku, Apple TV, some other device like that. And then your audio output that you're using to connect to your soundbar is the digital optical toss link. So you have these two wiring connections made on the back of your television. Now when I say toss link, I'm referring to this cable I'm holding in my hand with the little light. I don't know if you picked that up on your video, but that's the cable you're using to connect, but you still don't hear sound out of your soundbar. On your screen you see two televisions. One TV works with the soundbar, the other TV does not work with the soundbar. In this video, we're going to explain how to identify if your TV works with the soundbar or not, and if it does, how to troubleshoot and make setting or wire connection adjustments so that you can enjoy the sound from your soundbar. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to try to determine when your television was manufactured. If it was manufactured before the end of 2007, chances are really good that the soundbar is not going to play audio through that digital output. Now on this particular label, I can see that this was manufactured after 2007. That's why one of the televisions we're highlighting in this video doesn't work and one does. Now if you wait to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a second way to look up to see if your TV is compatible with the soundbar. If you believe your TV was manufactured after 2007, well, the next thing you want to take a look at are the settings actually on the television itself. Now, every television and every model, it's slightly different. But for example, in this particular television you're looking at on your screen, it specifically says that you have to make sure your audio settings are correct in order for that HDMI source input to pass through a digital output. I posted a link at the top left of your screen. That'll show you how to turn your TV speakers off. Now if you're looking from a mobile device, you're going to have to click on the link that's directly below this video. Sometimes the setting adjustment you need to make relates to how your television processes the actual sound itself. For example, right here you see it shows PCM or bit stream. Now that's specific to this particular television. Your television might have something slightly different, but in the case of this particular television, what it's saying is that you want to select a bit stream. So using the remote that came with the television, locate the menu button and press that. Then highlight the audio tab and select OK. Then scroll down to digital audio out and change it from PCM to bitstream. Now you should be able to listen to 5.1 digital content on your soundbar. If those things didn't work, a couple other things you could try. Rather than trying to take your audio source from the back of your TV, just plug it straight into the source. Of course, that only lets you connect one device to your soundbar. Now another option would be just to use the analog red and white like the cables I'm showing right here. You'd locate the red and white audio output on the back of your TV, plug that into the back of your TV and the other end into the back of the soundbar. Now if that doesn't work, for example your TV doesn't have that red-white audio output, but it has a headphone jack like is indicated right here, you get a 3.5mm stereo cable, you plug that in right there, and the other end of your cable could be the red-white and it goes into the back of the soundbar, or the other end could be one of these and it goes into the soundbar, assuming your soundbar has one of these. Alright, earlier in the video I promised that at the end of the video I'd tell you a second way to quickly determine if your television was compatible by using the connection method we showed you in this video. But before you do, if you're not looking at this on a mobile device, a subscribe button is going to show up right about there. Would you subscribe to the channel? And if you happen to know anybody who likes tech tips like this or has the same problem, share the video with them. So here's the tip. Right below the video we posted a link. That link is going to take you to a site that we're not affiliated with. It's Sonus. They're a soundbar manufacturer. And they have a pretty comprehensive list of televisions that, don't work with sound bars, or if they do work with sound bars, it'll tell you a quick troubleshooting tip for that specific television. It's a good list of televisions. The link's right below this video. Check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.